Good morning everyone. Today we will continue with digging this hole, trying to clear it out if we can, and then hopefully repair it as well. I don't know if we're able to do that all in one day, but we'll see. At least we can clear it out, put the camera in, see if the other side extends to the little river, and see if the other side goes into the villa. So what are you going to do today?
Me and Michaela will clean up the other side of the villa, like garden. So hopefully we can make a path so we can walk
Around the villa?
Yes, around the villa.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, it's the puzzle time. So this one is with this edge, I think is the top. Makes sense. Top piece. Those are the rings on the side, so that they sort of interlock. You see this edge right there. Then we have two pieces left, which is, I mean, obviously not enough, so we're missing pieces, but that piece is still semi-intact in place. Feels quite sturdy, so let's leave it there. The bottom needs to be flat. I mean, obviously we don't want any residue or whatever sticking in there, so that needs to be smooth. So we got a few options here. Either we find the correct piece, and the other option is to buy some concrete and then pour that in, make that all nice and smooth, and then fill up the rest. I mean, it's probably gonna be that option. This piece is definitely too big. This one might actually fit. I mean, it's not the piece that was there before probably, but I think we'll make it work. First, before we are going to fit all the puzzle pieces, let's put in the camera to see if this path is all cleared and that path is all cleared. Alright, there's still some rubble in the system, so more clearing out to do. I need some help.
Oh,
So
tell me.
What I found is, so we have the air gap right between the
Yeah.
house and the wall. So the left continues or connects straight to the main pipe, which is here. And the right one, we don't know. So, why are you smiling? What's so funny?
No.
So the right one is a bit weird. I think what it does is it comes at an angle and then comes sort of over top because it's this square pipe. They made this square pipe. And this is obviously a round one. So I think the square one goes over this one, over the round one, and then drops down.
Fingers crossed.
Definitely, because I have not seen a single sign of any connection whatsoever apart from the ones we know. So that sucks if it isn't this one. So let's hope it is. But if you could drop down there, so walk around and drop down and hold a flashlight in that hole.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can see it here.
Okay.
No idea. So we enter this square hole here. But that square pipe doesn't meet up anywhere. It just has a dead end. Dead end, and as in there's a lot of bricks that we can't pass. And we can't see any connection with the other main pipe. So as I'm walking back, literally you can't be making this up, I find this sticking out. Got ourselves a new knife. And this is something I think that could work. It's a bit primitive, but these are the pieces that we have. Make sure that the bottom is flush with the other parts and that everything can flow well. I'm gonna mix some concrete and put these pieces in, like I'm an archaeologist, Jesus. And then cover them up like that. Make sure that roots can't enter that easily. And then we're done with this part, I think. See on the camera, however, when I was inspecting the tube, that there's quite a bit of space between all the pipe segments. So that is a bit worrying. If someone knows a great way to solve it, then do let me know. Before we start with the concrete, I'm gonna pick up two friends from Belgium, and they're gonna visit us for a couple of days and give us a hand, so that's good. Thanks.
Oh, dat is echt groot.
The first obstacle to get in.
Grazie mille, Sam.
Yeah. Straight to work.
Yeah, let's go.
Nice.
Come on, schatje.
Nice, nice, nice.
Grazie, grazie.
Now we can finally walk around the house.
And we have like...
It's after dinner time, as you can probably tell. I really want to get this base layer in. I only want to mix up the concrete and put down the bottom layer of this sewage pipe. So tomorrow we can do the top. I don't know yet how I'm gonna do it, like cover it up completely or make it accessible for next time if we want to unclog it or something. We'll see that tomorrow. Don't worry about it today. Just want to do the base layer, so I'm gonna mix up some concrete. The rest is gonna work on the garden and some other stuff. Really putting in the extra hours here. Cazzo. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Ciao.